We will use the free software package Video Tracker to locate and scale the motion of our object. We begin by importing the file using the Video Import menu item. The next step is to identify the scale of the video. We select a new calibration stick, which places a blue line on the video. We drag the ends of the line down to the tape marks on our meter stick visible in the frame. We zoom in on either side and position the calibration stick markers as close as we can to the left end of the tape marks. We now identify this length in the calibration stick box. Our stick stretches between two marks 80 centimeters apart, so we identify this length as 0.8. Next, we identify the vertical axis. We select the axis tool, which places a purple axis on the video. We drag the origin onto one end of our plumb line. The horizontal axis can be clicked and rotated to align it with the plumb line. Zoom in and check both the origin and the axis to make sure they are both on the plumb line. Now we can create a particle track. We create a point mass particle tracking. We are not interested in object rotation, only in its position. Click on the Mass A button and select the AutoTracker item. This brings up a new window that we will use to track the object. Next, we locate the first frame of interest by scanning the video using the playback and timeline bars. Once we have located the first frame of motion, we use the Shift-Control-Click to identify the object for the AutoTracker. This makes two items appear on our video. The circle is the bound of the auto-tracking object, and the square is the search box in which the software looks for an object. We expand the circle so that the entire object, plus a bit of the background, is visible. We also expand the search box a bit so that the software can find our object. We click the Search Next button to advance one frame. In this case, the search area is not large enough to identify our object, so we move the search box and click the Search This button to locate the object. We repeat this process for the remainder of the frames of the video, adjusting the search box as necessary so that the AutoTracker can identify our object. Finally, we export the data using the File, Export, Data File menu option. We change the delimiter to comma and click Save As. We rename the file as data.csv and save it. Now we can analyze this data using other software.